Abomineke wamo, Abomineke wa malicha wami bosoma. Abomineke wa malicha wani juleju. Abomineke wa malicha wani bosoma.
Never question. You, my people. Once again, you are welcome. I say once again, you are welcome. You came in peace. I know why we are here. Go and bring our daughter. As you can see, our visitors are waiting. We don't have to waste time. So go.
What are you doing here? Our visitors are here already, and it's time you can see them.
Must I come out there? Can't I just remain here like this?
Listen, Obumneke, we can't afford to go back on this again. Okonta and his people are here, so come, let's see them. Come. Yeah. I said, come. I don't have any excuse to tell them again. Come, my dear.
I greet you, my fathers.
Obumneke, our daughter. Our visitors here have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Do we have your consent to accept their drinks?
With all due respect, Nai, my answer is no. I already told Okonta here that I will not marry him. And I don't understand why you came here in the first place.
Obumneke, I don't show the I said these people are here that...
Uncle, I understand you very well. I do understand you, Nai. And my answer is still no. My heart is saturated with lots of things. And marriage is certainly not one of them.
Obumneke, it's beginning.
Yeah. Alwe meno. Hey. It's beginning.
It's beginning. What did you say?
No. The successful union between a man and a woman must first start with the heart. We have to give our hearts before we can give our hands. And for reason best known to me, I haven't given my heart to anyone and therefore cannot give my hand. I'm sorry, Nai, but that's my final decision.
Obumneke, what did you just say? Is this what we discussed? Why bring this shame on me?
No. Please, do me this one favor. I wish to be left alone. Please.
Okonta, do you know the meaning of what just happened? A maiden has rejected you. How are we going to go back to our village?
Ishi, I don't know what happened. I don't even know what came over.
Hello.
We agreed on this before I came.
Hello.
We agreed.
Hello. Man,
we agreed on this.
Ichokoro, we are behaving as if we believe that I have been the one advising Obumneke not to get married. I
am not the only one with that belief. That is what everybody believes. I wonder why you should allow Obumneke to sit here and continue rejecting suitors.
Ishokoro, you are her uncle. Obumneke calls you father. I believe she respects you.
Yes.
Why can't you just sit her down and talk some sense into her?
I'm not the one to talk to her. Adoye, did you hear me? I'm not the one to talk to her. It's unfortunate that your son died the way he did. It's your responsibility to train his only child.
And that is what I am doing. That is what I'm doing, Ishokoro. That is what I am doing.
You've not been doing enough. At all. You've not been doing enough. Her mates are already mothers. And she's here, rejecting suitors. I'm a man of this land. And I know what people are saying about it. Very soon, nobody will come to her. Okay, wanye na gaga, Adoye. Okay, wanye na gaga. Do something and do it fast. Okay?
Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to me?
No, Mama.
I am your mother, your father, your sister, your brother. So are you the only family that I have?
You are right, Nen.
Mom, I want you to tell me the truth. What is the problem?
Problem?
Yes, Mom, because you have rejected 7 suitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 suitors. What is it? Eligible suitors.
No, Mama. You know the reason. You know everything.
Mama, I am your mother. The only mother you know. This problem you are talking about, I know before you. And I have told you again and again and again that there is no problem. Did I not?
You told me so, Nen.
So why are you still embarrassing us? And one, why? Your uncles are worried. The villagers, they are talking. And I am getting tired. Very soon, so those will stop coming your way. My daughter, you are not getting any younger. And so am I. My daughter, I want to carry your child. Obumneke, is it too much of a thing to ask?
No, Nemoma. Nemoma, it's not too much of a thing to ask. Please, don't be sad because of me. I hope to marry Nemoma. I hope to marry someday. I hope to marry and make you happy. I hope so. You should have seen the face of the fool called Okunta. He was so bold, so certain, so convinced that he was going to have my hand in marriage.
Funny.
What?
Honestly, I will tell you the truth. You're my friend and you know it. I don't think you did well by rejecting that man like that. He's suitable. I mean, he's a nice man.
Uju, whose side are you on?
Your side, of course. You know I'm always on your side. Oh, but we are no longer getting younger. It's high time we settle down. And most of all, you are like a role model to other maidens. You shouldn't be rejecting suitors like this now.
Seriously? We are going to stand here all morning and talk about Okunta. Are you serious?
Well, if you don't wish to talk about it, let's leave it. It's okay by me.
Better.
You made it happen again. Tell me something.
What I don't understand is why these men keep coming back to her, despite all what she does to them. Can you imagine? The 7th time.
And very soon now, another man will be added to the list of Obumneke's rejected suitors.
Hey! Why become of any single suitor?
Come to think of it, what
does Obum have that we don't even have? Ask me.
She has dignity, charisma. She's so brave, elegant. She's very hardworking, and above all, she's beautiful. She got no time for small talks like both of you. These are the qualities that men see in her. You want more answer? Get a life, two of you. They are Allah.
Abomination, mo. Abomination, malicha mwani busama. Abomination.
I greet our leader.
I greet you, fair ones.
Malicha mwani busama. Why did Banoa?
Greet you.
Abomineke, Amalichangwa Achalugo, Wanyi Manarisia Ibenya Omuwa Odiko Baro Chupilu Abomineke Sopije, Kubo Karavitia Kubo Abomineke Merizia.
Hello, beautiful. Please, can I have a moment of your time? I just want to talk to you about how I feel. I won't take much time.
I am a very busy woman. Very busy. I do not have time to stand on the road and talk to people.
I'm sorry, not like I'm stalking you. Okay, I can actually come to your house and talk to you anytime.
I said I am a very busy woman.
A moment.
Thank you all. I must apologize to you. I am sorry for coming to the meeting late.
No, accepted.
That will not stop me from still explaining to you. You know the nature of my job, and it entails a lot of emergencies. So be con baram. The reason I call this meeting is because the dance season is very close by. And this season, we are competing with the Egbede maidens. This clap seems to mean that we are ready.
We are ready! Are we not ready? We are ready!
We must remember that the Egbede maidens are not people to be toyed with when it comes to dancing. Yes. And for that reason, we have to take our rehearsals seriously. With dedication and seriousness, we will certainly surprise them.
Sure.
So that we can do what?
Surprise them!
Are we ready to surprise them?
Yes, sir!
So, ready. Our rehearsals is going to be every Eke and Afo. Okay. We have to take it seriously. So that we can do what?
Win them!
That said, let's discuss our own issues. Starting with Adako and Chisimdi. Nobody who breastfed well walks into a meeting the way you both did.
Oh, yes.
Huh? I am talking because your excesses is becoming too much.
Yes.
You both always have a way of drawing us back each time we are gathered here.
Yes. You're right, Malik. Every time.
You must remember, no group progresses without orderliness and discipline.
Yes.
Huh?
Honestly, we are very sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Let's go to the business of today. Which is what?
Dancing!
Which is what?
Dancing!
Okololi Japan, oh baby, no na choyoko. Before you go America, Okololi Japan, oh baby, no na choyoko. Before you go America,
I wonder why you are making to pass me with the pretense that you don't know that you are the one that I am waiting for.
You are standing here on the road, waiting for me. What for?
You see, it is said that a man that desires a wife would go look for a woman who desires a husband. What I don't understand is why you are adamantly following a maiden who has not decided to be married.
A maiden decides not to be married simply because she hasn't found the man she loves. When she finds the man she loves, she will want to be married.
Now I ask you, are you the right man that can make Obumneke make that decision?
I can't remember telling you or anyone else that I'm ready to get married. If a man decides to visit Obumneke, it's not enough reason for you to stand on the road here asking me funny questions. If you do not mind, I'll be on my way.
What is he up to?
Before you go America, before you go America, good to put in chop, and then I tell you go. Before you go America,
I came to see Obumneke.
You said you are a man of this land. Who is your father?
My father is late. Late Obuago Duche of Enugu, head of your Bambada.
Hey, your father was a great hunter. Eh? Mentioning his name just reminded me of the crisis with Umolon people. We lost many of our great men.
That's in the past now, Mama. They took us unawares then. A thing like that cannot happen in this land anymore. Can I see Obumneke now?
Why not wait? Let me go and call her.
Okay, Mama.
Obumneke! No, we are surely going to have wonderful lunch today. The aroma is everywhere.
No, Mama. Don't flatter me. I learned from you.
I will take care of the pot on fire. You have Ibiso and he's waiting for you.
Who?
The son of late Obuago Oduichi of Enugu.
What is he doing here? I have no business with him. I'm busy. Besides, I have things to do in the kitchen and I can't...
Hey, Biko. You have to go and see him. Like I said, I will take care of the pot on fire. We can't afford to keep a visitor waiting. Please go and see him. Oh? Go. He's waiting for you outside. Jebe.
I just...
Out with it already. You just what? Were you not the fool I told you that day that I do not have time for irrelevant talks. So what are you doing in my house?
Please, can you just calm down and give me a listening ear? Please hear me out.
As snappy and as simple as possible.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Obum, I really have been having sleepless nights about you. I care about you a lot. I love you. I want us to be friends.
You want me to be your what? Mbanu, say it again. Repeat yourself, please.
I like you a lot. I love you. Please be my friend.
From the very first day I set my eyes on you, I saw a stupid and an annoying man written all over you. And you just succeeded in proving it right to me right now that you are a very foolish person. Yes. What on earth makes you think I'm interested in you? Eh? Who wants to be your friend?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you.
Unfortunately for you, you have already offended me. I want to go in now. Do not let me meet you here on my return.
Ha, Obumneke, see. What do I do to at least make her listen to me? The gods will bear me witness. I mean no harm. All I...
Serves you right. Next time you come to this compound and start talking nonsense, you know. Am I the only man in this village? Why can't I have a moment of peace?
I beg you, please listen to me. Hear me out. I love you a lot. So many people have asked me to leave you, but I can't. I can't do anything for you. Just hear me out. Yes.
Yeah. Come here.
I should come. Thank you.
Yan.
Thank you.
Yan. You are so...
Okolali Japan, baby, no, not before you go, Perica, Okolali Japan, baby, no, not before you go, Perica, Okolamasia, baby, no, not before you go, Perica, good to put in job, and in there, not before you go, Perica, Okolali Japan, baby, no, not before you go, Perica, Okolali Japan, baby, no, not before you go, Perica.
That is because she wants to be let go. People do not see blindness and foolishly open their eyes to it. A woman tells a man of Umweze to stay away from her, but he adamantly keeps following her. I am tempted to say that you are not a man of this great kingdom. But then again, I knew your father.
Yamazi, what is your interest in this? Why are you pestering my life? Why are you following me up and down as though you have nothing to do in this village?
What
do I make of that? That you are now a native doctor?
The truth has no source. It can come from anywhere. I tell you the truth, and that you must accept.
What truth did you tell me?
But if you love a woman more, chances are that you may die in that relationship. Think about it. A word is enough for the wise. Think about it.
No. That young man has not done anything wrong to warrant the type of treatment you are giving him.
No, Mama. Are we honestly going to discuss him? Who is he to come between us?
Nobody has come between us. And no one will ever come between us. Why not give him some listening ear?
No, Mama. If you are saying this because you believe that time is no longer on my side, I will beg you to please not say that. I am a woman who has a lot of personal issues to deal with.
What personal issues?
No, Mama, please. Let's not discuss it now.
See, please describe it again. Yeah, describe it again.
Okundu, this is not a laughing matter. I just told you that the woman I love not just turned down my advances, but chased me out of her house with a machete, and you're laughing about it.
That is the funniest part. Chasing me with cutlass, chasing me with machete. I'm telling you, she must really hate you.
You're a complete fool. I hope you know that.
Thank you. I agree. If something is not half, it is full. But wait, was she chasing you to use you as a ngwongwo or for pepper soup? Aye. Ijofo, that girl is going to kill you. She's going to kill you.
Despite that, I still love her. I mean, there is a vacuum in me that only Obumneke can feel. I love her so much, and I'm sure.
So you're still talking of love? Ijofo, you're still talking of love when this girl has no atom of likeness for you.
She's honorable, she's beautiful, hardworking.
All these things are coming out, because of love. Please, go inside and bring the palm wine that you say you have, so that I can make myself useful. Please, go.
So after everything I just told you, it's palm wine that's your problem.
Got last.
Move, go. You are just of no use to me.
My friend, move. Guy! Love. Love.
Jim.
Ada kuwanyoma. Ada dimma. Ada, Obumneke seems a little occupied. Could you please help me call her?
1, 2.
Hey, Jim, why do you worry yourself over a maiden who doesn't like you? See, a serious and wealthy suitor from Ebeda is coming for her hand in marriage. You should concentrate on maidens available, like me.
Suitor? I never knew she had any serious suitor. I thought she turned down all the suitors that came for her.
Eji, Obumneke is as good as married. But not to worry, I'm here for you.
Ada, you're a beautiful woman. A good man will come for you.
Eji. Ujunwa, you scared me.
Why are you so scared? You didn't commit anything. Who is that? Is that a Joffo? Who is he looking for?
Me, obviously.
She's always eating up her flesh.
Ejofo, wait. What is it again? Does it mean I can't do my things in this village without having you follow me all around?
It is said that a man should build his house on a solid ground so that when the rain and the thunder strike comes, that house will remain firm. But you are actually building yours on a sandy ground. That gives me a reason to worry.
Worry about me? For what? Who are you to make my case your business?
Ejofo, you should understand that the lion does not give birth to a goat. Your father died a warrior. If you continue building this house on a sandy ground, you are most likely going to die a failure.
Your negative words can never get to me.
It's only mere ignorance that makes the cats dare to challenge an elephant for a wrestling contest.
I don't know why you're blocking my way, and I do not know what you want me to listen to. Please, I'm not in the mood to listen to anything. I'm wounded.
Wounded because of what?
Obumneke, a girl I love with all my heart. She has a suitor whom she loves. Where does that leave me?
Obumneke has not accepted any suitor. I know her now. Is she not my friend? At least I am the closest person to Obumneke in this village. No, the grandmother is the closest person. But at least, if Obumneke has accepted anybody, I am the first to know. No, sorry. The grandmother is the first person to know. At least I'm the second person to know.
Okay, let me believe you.
You have to. Whoever that told you that is either interested in you or Obumneke. Okay, now come, let me tell you.
You mean she has never?
You see, I know her very, very well. The ball is still in your court. Abu, what is this one called?
Ujunwa. Do you want to join me in this business of herbal medicine?
You know I'm getting married. So that when I'm finally married and you're not around me anymore, I'll be able to take care of myself and my family.
Hey! My friend is talking of marriage. Oh. Tell me, when is Ndukwe coming with his people?
In the 12 market days.
It's good. Ndukwe is a good man. He deserves a good person like you.
Thank you. Obumneke. Talking about who deserves who, I think I know who deserves the most beautiful maiden in Umen's kingdom. The leader of all the maidens in this city.
Well, my dear friend, the leader of all the maidens is not ready for any man yet.
Anyway, don't worry. By the time you notice this man the way you should, I bet you will change your mind.
Akuya, my friend sounds so confident.
Of course.
Abomination, Malicha Wami Bosonma. Abomination, Malicha Wani Jureju.
And what is the meaning of this one?
Good morning, beautiful.
Whatever. Answer me.
I was walking past your land beside the stream and I noticed they were ripe. I decided to cut and bring them home for you.
Hey! Hey! People of Obumneke! Come and see trouble, oh! What kind of problem is this one now? Eh? So, you think we do not know that our plantain is ripe to cut? Or we don't know that we had plantain there? Eh? Yeah, it's your fault. Oh, what do you say they call you? Why? Why did you cut my own?
I thought it was the right thing to do.
Hey, it is the right thing to do. Good man. Well, I have noticed your goodness. Please, pick on me. I am begging you. Ejim Chukuyogi. Do not touch any of our properties again, no. Did you hear me? Do not touch any of our properties again. Else, I'll be forced to call you a thief. Onyoshi. And you know what that means, Nimweze?
See, I didn't mean any harm. I was only trying to care.
Shut up. Shut up. Before I lose with you. Yeah? Why are you leaving this one here?
Abomination, Malicha Wami Bosonma. Abomination, Malicha Wani Jureju. Abomination, Malicha Wani Bosonma.
I'll be on my way now.
Nodu. Nonala. Come and have breakfast. Ew.
Omuwa odiko baro chupilu. Abomineke sopije. Ubo karo etiya kugo. Abomineke neariziaru. Abomineke Malicha Wani Jureju.
Take him inside. He needs to sleep. So make sure that he sleeps.
Thank you. Oh, my God bless you.
Obum, this is another opportunity for me to make that same appeal. It won't cost you anything. Just say yes and that will make you my second wife.
Akubike, my answer has not changed. I will not marry you.
Why, Obum? I have all it takes to take care of you. Remember, I am Akubike, the weirdest man in Umweze. You deserve a man like me.
Listen to me, Akubike. You have to stop wooing me each time I come here. Else I'll be forced to stop coming here to attend to your sick child. Give this to your wife. Make sure she administers it on the child before it's night.
I see what that means. Are you going already? Please, I beg you to stay a little while. At least let me prepare something for you to eat.
Don't worry, Oriako. Thank you. Perhaps some other time.
Go well. And my regards to your mother.
She'll definitely hear.
So what were you discussing with her?
I want to make her my second wife. Don't you like her as your mate?
Obumneke has refused to marry any bachelor in this village. You are the one that has a wife and a son. So what makes you think he will accept to marry someone like you?
What does that mean? Please take this and go inside.
Please take this
and go inside.
Abum! Bam! Oh yeah, no. Isibo, please don't go. I haven't come to bother you. I brought this for you and Neadoye.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So what are we celebrating? Iriji or what?
No, our people do not celebrate New Yam Festival with Anuji.
So what do they celebrate it with? Eh? What are you doing here?
My traps caught a lot of meat today, so I decided to share with you and Nadoye since I don't have any other family.
That's very generous of you. Well, since you have decided to share the meat with us because you don't have any other family, come in. Let me quickly go and prepare the meat so you can join us in the feast.
No, it's for you and Nadoye.
You have to join us. Come in.
Do you know the meaning of this? Why will you cross the door with your wrapper one?
Nah, I know the meaning of this. It means that any man who moves it or jumps over it has committed an abomination. Nah, I want him to have an abomination hanging over his neck so he can leave me alone.
What are you talking about? Who?
Nah. She lured me in here and crossed the door with her wrapper. I love Obumneke so much. Why would she play this ancient trick on me?
You shut up your mouth before I come at you then.
I can't believe this. Eh? How could you do a thing like this to a young man of this kingdom? That means so well.
No, I have warned him time and time again to leave me alone. He wouldn't listen. So, I decided to satisfy you today by keeping you around. This is a glimmer of what I do to people like you who do not know when and where to stop. And if you ever come back here to bother me again, I won't tell you what I'll do to you.
Nah, please. Why are you go? Why are you go? Forgive her for my sake.
It's okay, no problem. I never knew Obumneke knew about this ancient tradition of dropping the wrapper across the door. The way ancient women used to keep their men in check. You know, this has really made me to love her the more.
It's alright, Mom. Don't worry, I will talk to her.
No problem. I'm impressed.
It's okay. Just go home. I will talk to her.
Okay,
The maidens of the beggar, they met their machiners yesterday.
They wouldn't believe that will beat them in their own game.
Honestly, after they were proclaimed the best group for 5 seasons, and to think that we beat them in their own village, right at their own village square, gives me so much joy. Did you see their faces? You saw them now, squeezing face.
All I know is that Obumneke really deserved a trophy for this victory.
Did she contest alone? Did she?
No, she didn't. But she's a great leader and also part of our success.
Dejof, I greet you.
I greet you.
I greet you, beautiful maidens of Umweze. How was your night?
Fine. Fine.
Very fine, and yours?
Mine was good. I can see you're happy.
Yes.
I wish you both a fruitful day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Listen, I don't like this fact that you're giving Obumneke credits. We all deserve the victory equally. We deserve the trophy.
Obumneke is not just a good dancer. She's also a great leader.
Don't even provoke me now.
Who is provoking me?
I am sorry. I don't want to listen.
So my beautiful and graceful Obumneke led the maidens to Ebede and came back victorious. What a hard-working maiden. The most beautiful of all maidens.
Abomination, malicha mwami busoma. Abomination, malicha mwami juleju. Abomination, malicha mwami busoma. Why did Banoa? Mana wanyo sodipa. Una fola Abomineke, Amalitama Achalugo, wanyi manarisi ibenya Umuwa odiko baro chupiru Abomineke sopije, ubo karo vitiya kugo Abomineke nerisi
Ujumon, how are you? I'm good. I heard maidens of our land defeated maidens of everybody last night.
Yes.
Were you there?
Of course I was there. We were victorious, but Obumneke, she was the motivator. She's so good.
I see.
No, Mama. Now the herbal mixture I gave you in the morning should have strengthened you by now. Why are you still weak?
Mom, I am fine. Please help me to stand up.
No.
Mom, I was about asking you about the dancing contest with maidens of Ebode before you left in the morning.
Oh, ne. You should have seen how we defeated them. We danced and danced and danced, and they kept cheering us on.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, ne.
You are really a pride to the maidens of Umueze. Just that you have failed to set a good example on marriage for them.
Ne. Must you seize every opportunity to talk about marriage?
Of course, Mom. Let's put it.
Ne, Mama. I can't even rejoice over a simple victory without you tormenting me with the word marriage.
You see it as a torment because you have chosen to.
No, ne, Mama. Ne. Tell me, which maiden with my condition marries?
Mom, maidens in your condition, they all got married. Yours is not even that bad. You can comfortably be a wife and a mother. I keep telling you this. And Mom, Mom, think about it. You know?
That's Ujunwa. Something is wrong. She's not supposed to be here. Ujunwa, I hope all is well.
All is well.
Hey! A grass cutter. Here. Grass cutter. And when did my friend become a hunter?
Anyway, you can never say all the things I can do. I not only dance well, I can also hunt.
Uju.
Anyway, talking of dancing, the news of our victory over Ibeda seems to be everywhere.
You don't say, my sister. It was a wonderful experience. I don't know what to say.
Anyway, here. Take now. Take. A kinsman gave it to me this morning while returning from the stream. In his own words, this is for the able, beautiful leader of all the maidens over her victory at the dancing contest.
Hey! Hey, whoa. And who is this kinsman, if I may ask? What is his name?
I can't remember his name again. No. But don't worry, I will show him to you anytime we come across him.
Very well then. I mean, I can't refuse a gift for a well-meaning kinsman, can I?
Eh? You don't dare! In fact, I'm going now. Whenever that meat is ready, keep my own. I want my own share. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Who was the man that brought the grass cutter?
I don't know. I myself, I want to meet him someday. So at least say thank you.
You mean Ujunwa didn't tell you the person that brought the grass cutter?
The kinsman who loved the way we defeated the Gede maidens. He brought the grass cutter for the leader of the maidens to congratulate me on my victory.
I know, man. When a man goes all out to make such a gift to a woman, he must have something in his mind.
Something like what?
We'll find out someday. I just hope he is a good man.
What have I done to deserve this kind of life? Jim, why me? Why did you bring me into this world like this?
Nemo. Ne, are you alright?
Ne, I'm okay.
How can you say you are okay when you are outside here, all alone, at this hour of the night?
Ne, Mama. There's something I just need to sort out. Like a woman. I'm fine.
I am a woman like you. Lead me into whatever that is bothering you, or whatever you're trying to solve. I might be of help.
Ne, Mama. Please. Do not worry about me.
Hey.
All is well.
All is well.
What's funny?
You see? Eh? I told you, that last grass cutter, Jamife, you would have left it for us. You even have flesh for me. Eh? But no, I want to give it up, Obumneke. That will not even stop to greet you. Eh? Hurry. See, take my advice. Take my advice. Leave this girl. Obumneke doesn't have any man's time. Do you know how many suitors she has rejected?
Didn't you see she was in a hurry?
It's your love. I wish you good luck. But if you keep your mouth well, Ejofo and Obumneke, it sounds good though.
I believe I can make her change her mind. She's the only woman I feel for in this village.
Let's go now. Uju, it's not like I don't want to go with you. But Nne is all alone at home. I don't want to stay up late.
No, I promise you will not be long. I promise you. Am I not your friend? Let's go now. Please, let's go.
Hey, wait from here, Chineke. I don't even know where you're taking me to. Am I safe?
No, you're not safe. I'm going there to sell you. Let's go, because... Let's go.
At least say where we are going.
We will not stay long. Just let's go. You're sneaking now. We're not going to stay long. I'm wasting time. Sorry.
Beautiful maidens of our land in Dewo, I must get you cola.
No, that won't be necessary at all. We're not going to stay any long. Obumneke is only here to tell you thank you for the grass cutter you gave to her 8 days ago. Obumneke?
Yes, sure. Yes. Thank you very much for the grass cutter you gave to me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Okay, mission fulfilled. Shall we go now or do you want to stay back?
No. I'm going with you.
Okay, we're going.
Thank you.
Abu, greet your grandmother.
I will.
Am I dreaming? Obumneke actually came to my house today.
Hey, Obum, wait now.
Obum, Ujunwa, if you weren't my friend, you know what I would have done to you. How dare you? What gave you the audacity to cunningly take me there? Do I look like a child?
Obum, I'm sorry. I knew if I had told you, you would not go.
Exactly. And that should tell you I do not want to have anything to do with him.
Ejiofor is a nice man. I think you should give me a chance now, please.
Ujunwa, do not allow me fall out with you. Let this be the very last time. The very last time you bring me out to discuss any man at all. If you do, you certainly will not like me.
Abum, please. I'm very, very sorry, okay? I don't mean to upset you. But even at that, you have to give a man a chance in your life now.
Are you deaf?
Me, I no go drink water. Achara mabum, oye chini biko chelu. Kamfuga dabum, Obumneke maka watabu sama. Nkageluna, makanka besi wafia. Abumu,
Amadi, please, did you see anybody with a grass cutter?
Is that an insult or something close to it? What sort of a stupid question is that?
I didn't mean to insult you. It's just that I just went to check my traps and I discovered that thieves made away with all the grass cutters they caught.
Ejiofor, I have the slightest feelings that you are having mental imbalance. Why would you call people thieves where you can prove that those traps actually caught any grass cutters?
I am almost certain they did because I saw the hairs scattered all around the traps. See, thieves are not allowed in this land. This is bad omen.
I did not see anybody. Could it be true that some people are actually stealing trapped animals in this village? Wonder shall never end.
The most beautiful of all maidens. What luck to behold you this morning. I can see you're going to the stream. Let me accompany you.
No.
Don't say no, Obum. There are thieves in this land I just discovered this morning. And there are wild animals roaming the forests.
Obumneke is not afraid of thieves or wild animals. I can defend myself anytime. I fear nothing.
You can't be seen defending yourself when there's someone like me around. Listen,
No. No, I say! I can defend myself.
I just volunteered.
No!
Okolali Japan, baby, no, na joyoko. Before you go, Perika, Okolali Japan, baby, no, na joyoko. Before you go, Perika, Okolama Siagodo, baby, no, na joyoko.
Here comes the jewel herself. My own friend.
Welcome.
It's possible that when Dikeh comes, he will not recognize you. Hey!
On my own day, I will use the most expensive wrapper and beads.
Yes.
I would even decorate myself with colorful and beautiful uhe.
Ada.
Ujunwa, I don't know why you're not using the uhe on a special day like this. You ought to have, you know.
Here, Enokwa, what kind of rubbish are you talking?
Anyway, not every man can afford, you know.
You are right.
Yes.
My friend, soon I shall be married off to my dear loving, caring, handsome husband, Dikeh. Oh, ma'am, no behave. Adak, until your Mr. Webby shows his face for all to see, you remain a maiden in Umeze kingdom, and me a proud wife, and maybe by then a proud mother.
But wait, Adako, must you show your bad manners always?
See who's talking about manners? Are your manners better than mine? Hey, just stop it though.
Enough already. Both of you, I will not allow you to ruin today. Don't ruin this occasion. Today is my friend's wedding, and I will not allow either of you ruin it by competing on who has manners and who doesn't. So enough already.
Maidens, let's just be happy. Let's just be happy. Ujunwa.
Cha, umeze kwenu? Obade kwenu? Umeze kwenu? Kwezi ono? We all know why we are here. Your son, Dikeh, has come to take our daughter, Ujunwa, as wife. Okweyale kuka ane menu? Take this cup of wine and give to that man you accepted as your husband. We shall take that as your everlasting acceptance to be his wife. Eh? Oh no. Ọgọ m na nwa m ọ ga-adị unu na mma unu ga-amụ nwoke ise ife unu ga-eri amaghị nata unu unu ga-ebi unu udo ekelekwa m unu.
I'm a bit curious. What did you tell Obumneke that made her run out like that?
I wonder why you're asking. As if you so much care about her.
Meaning?
There is no maiden in this land that doesn't know that you hate Obumneke. So why are you asking about her?
Listen, Ekema. I don't have time for empty talks this afternoon. I just asked you a simple question, which you haven't answered. What did you tell Obumneke?
Her grandmother, Adoyi, is critically ill. The way she sounded when she asked me to call Obum, I believe she may not survive it.
That serves her right. Adaku! What?
Unbelievable. Are you doubting evil? Why are you so heartless? Why are you so happy for the misfortune of others?
Ekema, you have answered my question. Thank you.
Adaku! What kind of maiden is this?
Abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa mụ, abomineke ụwa ọmalịcha nwa m ịbụ sọ mma. Abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa ọmalịcha nwa m ijuru eju. Abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa ọmalịcha nwa m ịbụ sọ mma. Nwanyị dịkwa n'ụwa mana nwanyị ọzọ dịkwa. Unu afụla Abomineke ọmalịcha nwa. Achala ugo nwanyị manarịsịa ibe ya. Ụmụ ụwa ọ dịka ọkpọrọ Chukwu ilu. Abomineke zọpụ ije ụmụ okorobịa etinye akwụkwọ. Abomineke emegharịzi arụ. Abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa ọmalịcha nwa m ijuru eju. Abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa, abomineke ụwa ọmalịcha nwa m ịbụ sọ mma.
Some herbs. I got you herbs, yes. Just drink some. No, can you sit up? Okay. You just have some. Oh, have some. It will make you strong. It's for the Iba.
Don't bother yourself.
Stop talking like this, eh? Stop talking like this. Just have some so you can be strong, eh? Because just take a little. Just have some.
All I wanted from you was a child. You refuse to get married and give me one. I'll die. Happy one.
No, please don't say that. Once you get better now, I'll get married to any suitor at all. Anyone at all. I'll give you not one, two grandchildren. No, plenty. No, you won't die. Just drink a little. You drink a little, then you'll be strong. And I'll give you children. Plenty children. Oh, drink a little. I'll give you. I'll give you. I'll give you.
it. But I'm convinced that there's nothing that happened without the gods. The sudden exit of your grandmom is a very painful one, and I know that. But you see, you just have to move on with your life. You have to push on. Okay?
Who do I live with? I used to live with my grandmother. But now I have nowhere to go. How do I start?
Obum, I know all this. You have to forget about the future. The future will surely take care of itself.
How? How? How will the future take care of itself? I wanted a very simple thing. She wanted me to marry and give her children. And I failed her. I failed her. I can still hear her last words. She said to me, Obum, I'm going to die an unhappy woman.
It's okay.
Oh, how do I face the future? How?
It's okay, my dear.
You can still marry.
Yes.
You can still marry and give her children. You can still make her happy in her grave. You can do it. Trust me. You can.
I thank you all for coming to see me. But please, I beg to be left alone.
We'll stay to keep me company. That is what we do for one another.
Please do me this last favor. I'm going crazy. I don't know what to think. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I don't know what to think. I need no company. I'm going crazy. I just want to take it easy.
We are here for you. So, you mean Obumneke walked you people out of her house? What nonsense! Thank the gods I didn't waste my time on that stupid condolence visit.
Adako, why are you sounding like this? You know she could be bothered or something.
Rubbish! Rubbish!
Here. Anyway, I did not even tell you the most interesting part of it. She made mention of why she's been rejecting her suitors. Eh? Yes.
That's even the one I want to hear.
Hey! Like a cash. Like a cash.
Talk now. Talk.
Anyway, she mentioned some incoherent stuffs. In fact, the way she sounded so strange. I think the death of her grandma, I think it's affecting her brain. I just pray you shouldn't just make that girl mad.
If she likes, let her run mad. I don't care. The only concern is that the only man after my heart has sworn to give his right arm for her. The more she rejects him, the more closer he gets to her. I don't understand this. The whole thing is getting me so confused.
And if I may ask, who could this man be?
Why do you want to know? Do you want to join the band of my rivals?
Join the band of your rivals?
Just stop it.
Adaku, you know too well. You know I am as good as married. You know that.
To whom, please? To that native doctor. We are talking about successful farmers, hunters, wrestlers. And here you are, making a noise about Wadibi Anyanzu, who has not achieved anything in Umeze.
Excuse me? Adako, is this really you? So you stand here to talk about my own man as a non-achiever?
Sorry. Listen, Chiwendo, you are my friend, and that is why I'm talking to you. Take a look at you. You are beautiful, very beautiful that you can get the best man in Umeze. And here you are with one dibia. He even smells. Hey, how do you stand him? You want me to sing for you because you're dating a native doctor? He even smells. I hope you. Oh, she warm. Oh, she warm.
Kwande juma agba keri ndị sina ma ya ezuru ike n'obodo a.
Adaku, you know too well. You know I am as good as married. To whom, please? To that native doctor. What if you we are talking about suspense family. Hunters. And here you are, making a noise about Mwatipianyansu, who has not achieved anything. You know my thing.
Onye na-ekoto ogodo ya ekotele ya. Adako nyukunuka, kedu ife mmelo ye? Kedu ife mmelo ga Adako? If I'm a native doctor, how is it your business, Adako? Rapunu makaka nzuika Adako. Ango gabwakwai Adako.
We call this?
I don't know. I was just picking up herbs that I want to do medicine for Ichie Okeke. He had running stomach since yesterday. When suddenly, a substance just poured into my face.
Was the substance thrown by a human being or something that has to do with the gods?
The gods, Kwa? What do I have to do with the gods? I have never offended the gods. Besides, it was a human being. I heard her voice.
Her voice? So the attacker was actually a woman?
Yes. Someone who's probably after you. Because she said to me, you must leave Ejiofor alone. The voice was incoherent. And it's not a voice I've heard before. Yes, I've never heard that voice before. Hey! The plan was to blind me. Eh? If not for the Akala Ichiche Okozo gave me, I would have been blind still. But the question is, where have I gone wrong?